right.
I'm low. This is the one you launched up in the woods when I was
Yeah, no, I got bad luck.
Just for the record, he was going to outshoot all of us today. That's a good.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
That's
shoot for the dark spot.
little.
Just a touch high.
Yeah.
That was a good shot.
That's it, y'all are done. I'm getting dialed in now.
We got that crap talk on video this time, though. Ooh.
Matt, you need to go right under.
All right, so he's dialed in. Remember, he's gonna smoke us. So see what he can do with Mama Deer over here. Smoked her. See what the old man's got over here. Ooh,
Blistered.
right in there. What do you think, Seth? We're gonna have some pork for breakfast?
No, I'm lying to you. It's 27.
Oh,
yeah. Man.
It's two wounded animals back to back from the crap talker there.
it's that arrow, man.
It's the arrow. You brought more than one. You make sure your battery's charged and your rangefinder down.
Oh, I did the same thing.
I think you're getting my arrow. Nicotine in my system. That was definitely me. Oh, shit.
Sure that's 45?
Yeah.
I put 40 right at his top.
Yep.
Right there.
Oh,
Ooh.
Oh,
Just went high.
need to be actually just left of them arrows. Just left. Ooh. Yep. Somebody videoed them crossing the lake in the wintertime on the ice. I think there were 6 of them.
So what bow you shooting there, Seth? Is that the no cam?
Yeah. Matthew's no cam.
What bow you shooting there?
The V3X.
B3X. 33.
First 4th of July without him. First 4th of July without him. I know, man.
Would be a lot lower than a 4 inches, 3 inches at least.
You need to go right underneath
Just
that.
a touch high, yeah.
I don't know who's shooting the turkey there, damn. I have to kill that one.
Ooh, that's good there.
Right in the middle of them.
Shooting at the Florida deer. Bam.
High. Just high. They're hard to get out of.
Yeah. Dang, touching. Glenn, you gonna let Seth outshoot you on that one?
Nope.
Ooh.
I might be. Everything seems to be to the right for you.
It's just me. It's not bad. Little low.
Just low.
Oh, that's gonna fuck me up, man.
Oh man, I thought you was a professional. Ooh. Shooting this one in the head, are you?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good money shot there. Dude, I'm following you.
me.
Yeah. You gonna get this turkey?
Nope.
Ooh. Said what? Maybe the guy adjusting them at Bushnell, Red Eye Diamond or something. Ooh, that's money.
Pipe isn't too bad. I might just be a smidge low. A little right.
Man, dude, I'm kind of thinking about
you're
taking
still
this
in
green
the
ring
tent.
off my
I
bow.
think I'm touching you.
Pulled the shit out of that one.
Good height.
Maybe a couple days. Money. You too.
You need to be just to the right, just a hair or two. It looks great.
You don't see deers this big in Florida.
Getting ready to run. Got his tail up.
That's some thick legs right there. Ooh, money. About time you get
high.
one in the money
A
shot.
little high.
One thick booty deer.
Yeah.
Got that juicy booty. Ooh, that's money right there. Trying to give Seth a, a handicap.
Well, that's
here.
what they're probably talking about. Hey, when you get down there, kick that thing. That's perfect.
I think that's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Straight 5 then?
Yeah.
I got 34 and a half.
45.
Ooh. Money. Money.
Dude, I shoot. If a coon comes out in front of me, I'm shooting my bow.
Ooh.
I think I see it.
You see that dark spot, just right straight up above it, just go right to the right. You're probably just, you might be in it.
Oh, high.
I just kind of seen where that black dot was, where it looked like everybody been shooting. And just went over.
You roll to the right. Still might be in it.
Well, that was the first time I've ever been to a 3D range to shoot. My buddies go there all the time, so we'll probably end up going there more. But we have been discussing with him on setting up our own 3D ranges. We may set up one here, we may set one up at his house, and do our own shoots. But we are going to change some camera stuff up, different angles, different cameras, so we get a better footage. Make it easier to keep track of score and stuff. But let us know, you want to see more 3D range shooting or strictly just bow information videos? And we're also going to be doing some hunt videos here very soon.